Hi guys, it's Miss Megan. I miss you guys so much and I can't wait to give you guys a big hug very soon. Who has been making a mess at home? Who's been playing with squishy, ishy, gooey stuff? I have, and I have something we can do at home today. Sorry if it gets loud behind me. I'm running the dishwasher. So, you have to ask your mommy or daddy before you do this by yourself because it is a little bit messy and you don't want to make a big mess and make your mommy and daddy sad. So, all you need today is a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, some shaving cream, and food coloring. All right, I'm gonna shake up my shaving cream. Shake, 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 shake. All right, I'm gonna open my shaving cream. Whoa, that took a lot of muscles. I wanna see everybody's muscles. Okay, I'm gonna open my bag and I'm gonna squirt my shaving cream in. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There we go. Look. Whoa, and I might have to shake my shaving cream down. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lid back on my shaving cream. Maybe. And I'm gonna take food coloring. Now, what color is this? Purple? No. Green? No. I chose blue. Blue, like the color of Israel, but blue and white, like the Israeli flag. Wow. So now we're gonna drop in a few drops of shaving cream, or of food coloring on my shaving cream. Look how it's white. Do you think it's gonna stay white? No. All right, ready? One, oop, that was a lot. Let's squirt a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna zip up my bag. Now, we don't wanna eat this. It tastes yucky, icky, icky, icky. And zipping up my bag, watch, zip, 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 zip. Okay, whoops, I should let out all the air. Let out all the air and zipping up the bag. Okay, now it's time to play. Okay, squish it all around. Look, my friends, it's turning blue. Whoa, isn't that fun? Squish, 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 squish. Whoa. Okay, now, with your mommy's and daddy's permission, you open up the bag, you squeeze the air out. Because you don't want to make a mess without asking them. Then you zip up the bag, and I'm gonna go get a paper towel real quick so I don't make a mess so Mr. Jake doesn't get mad. Okay, and I'm gonna wipe off my mess. Look, my finger's blue. Ha! Okay, I didn't let out all the air. Whoops. Okay, now you can draw designs in your bag. Okay, I think I'm gonna write an M for Miss Megan. Uh-oh, it's not wanting to work, but I drew a line. And I can even, what else can I draw? Maybe I can draw a circle. Circle, did you see my circle? Wow. All right, my friends. So you guys can squish it, you can put cars over it, your farm animals over it, whatever you want to do with it. Now, when you're all done, you're gonna want to throw it away. You don't want to keep it. And you don't want to stick your hands inside of it because then your hands get colored. I want to see what colors you guys make. Maybe get creative and mix your colors. I also want to see how you guys play with it. I hope you guys have fun making this squishy mess Bye.